My name is Joe Horwath, 46 years old. I actually came to Dr. Chaudhry about a year and a half ago. My teeth were in bad shape. I'm diabetic, juvenile type 1, so my teeth were getting bad. They were actually falling out to the point where I couldn't eat, I couldn't smile. It was embarrassing. Probably for about a year and a half, I wasn't able to even bite into a hamburger or a sandwich or anything like that. My teeth did not meet. So I was limited to the food I was able to eat. It was harsh. Plus also smiling. I was embarrassed. I would just keep my mouth closed and just do a grin. It took its toll basically on a self-esteem issue, self-esteem level as well. I actually found a postcard in the mail and called on a weekend and actually got a response right away saying, let's get you in, let's make an appointment and see what we can do for you. On my first initial visit, naturally, I was a little bit nervous, but the staff is very accommodating in that, and I was embarrassed to even smile for them and actually take the pictures that they need to do. But they evaluated my situation. They gave me options on what they can actually do for me to get my smile back, be able to eat solid foods again. Within probably a week or two, they had me in for surgery. I chose the all-on-4, which was total tops and total bottoms with implants in both my upper and lower jaw. It gave me back close to 100% of the use of basically my mouth and eating and being able to smile again and not be embarrassed. The procedure went extremely well. There was no pain whatsoever I had during the whole process. It just makes me feel maybe a little bit more handsome, debonair. It seems now like I have possibly the full package, now that even just the smile part of it, it exudes my self-confidence more. And I like to portray that sometimes. It honestly, when the day of surgery, it honestly didn't feel like I actually had surgery done. Like I said, there was no pain, no after effects, no side effects. I had nothing to worry about. The fittings, the drilling and everything like that were, well, I was asleep, but even afterwards, I had no doubts, regrets, or whatever, just because it felt right. They did an amazing job with providing me teeth to go home with. My family, extended family included, was ecstatic. They were so excited for me because they knew the trials and tribulations I was going through with being diabetic and having my teeth go bad. I think the next holiday after I'd received it, everybody kept asking, show us your teeth, show us your teeth. And I was actually proud to open wide and smile, and they absolutely loved it. They were happy for me. They supported me, and actually they knew that this was going to make me feel better as a person, to be able to have a great smile and be able to actually show a smile that I'm proud of. Just being out there, even I've noticed people looking me in the eye and smiling back at me, and people just generally seeing me basically in a different light, and me having the self-esteem to be able to smile again. The staff was amazing here. Usually it took me a while to actually come to this point of getting my teeth fixed because I was so self-aware, and basically I think that people would judge me. That was the total opposite here. The secretaries, the receptionists, the aides, the Dr. Chaudhry himself did not judge me whatsoever. They saw me for who I was on the inside and basically wanted to help me gain back who I wanted to be. They were amazing, very caring, very concerned, and every aspect of during the surgery, after the surgery, provided me a blanket because I was cold after the surgery, putting a heater in the room to make sure I wasn't that cold. Just little things like that were amazing and just very thoughtful and sincere. That made it a lot better, actually having come back here and doing final follow-ups or whatever. I was greeting me with a smile. That's how I was doing. Even actually bought my mom a birthday cake because she brought me in on the day of surgery on her birthday. They are absolutely amazing staff. It was great to go through this with them. I'd recommend Dr. Chaudhry's office for any type of oral surgery that you need. Very caring staff, non-judgmental at all, none whatsoever. They're here to help. and give you the greatest smile that you can ask for. There's a sign on the door next to me which says, "This way to your new smile." That's the way to go through that door.